Okay, so now we have dealt with payment. We're going to do the AI part. So that should come in here. And we're going to create an AI so it would answer the question uh, that the user asked inside this box with the context being the transcript of the video. You might see like backend update successful popping up from time to time. That's because one of my colleagues is actually touching this project, and he's clicking updates and stuff. Okay, so first of all, we need a place for the AI's data to go, the response. So let's create a page data. Go to data, create a page variable. We call it the AI answer, and it's just AI answer. Okay, and it's just an empty text. And then we're gonna have to create an AI. Let's go back, let's delete this. We'll start from fresh. We'll just use GPT-4o Mini. You choose other models, but 4o Mini is cheap enough. So the input is just gonna have we have a single input. That's a question that's gonna be passed in through that text input field. The role is a patient teaching assistant. The goal is answer the question based on the transcript of the course. The question is, and then we get the question that will get substituted at runtime, and the constraint is if nothing relevant is found in the transcript, answer sorry, I cannot help you. Okay. And the next thing we need to do, actually, we have to take the course ID in as well. That will be the big int. So that's how we determine where to fetch the stuff from the course. And then now we get the course, get the transcript, and we filter that. We just get one, and we filter that based on the ID, and the ID has to be equal to whatever ID that's passed in. Okay, so let's give it a try. First, I have to update the backend. Otherwise, we can't actually run it. And also, we may want to rename this to, we call it the QA machine. Okay, the question is, let's find some data first. Let's go to the course, find some data. Is AI coding end of no code? Okay, so that is course number 4. And let's try it out. The question, course ID number 4. Question is, how is AI coding useful? Okay, we'll start the conversation, see what AI says. Okay, so it says something. It keeps saying it's a bit long, so let's add another thing, be concise, and restart the conversation. Okay, this time is much shorter. And we'll just update the backend because this is, again, changing stuff in the backend. You need to update that before you can use it on the front end. And now the send button is going to trigger an AI, the QA machine, and the question is going to be the input. And the other thing, which is the course ID, is going to be the same course ID on the page. And then we'll append the streaming output to AI answer. So we should be able to experience it here. We'll rebuy this entire thing. And here's our 4-2 trick. Pay now. Payment succeeded. Okay, cool. Now we have it here. And let's see. How is Bubble better? And that triggers the whole AI thing. Somehow it is. Ah, I forgot to. It's not showing up. That's because I forgot to bind the AI answer to the actual data. Okay, so we have it here. Let's try it again. How is better? How is Bubble better? And here we go. Bubble is better in terms of front-end reuse, logging capabilities. Well, actually, it's no longer, but it was when I made the video. And this is all based on the content of transcript. And here's an integration to AI. Okay, so I'm going to fix this part here. And then we will take a look at permissions, because that's important if you want to actually charge people money.